Bloody waters. Yeah, one day. Hey y'all, so I wanted to give y'all a glimpse of my vacation locks. These locks are perfect for vacation. My friend went to, where did she go? I forgot where she went. I think it was Costa Rica. And she was in the water. She was, doing what she did. And she still has them in now. So I wanted to just give you guys a quick glimpse of like how I do them. But I do have a more detailed video on how I get these vacation locks in. That is going to be in the description box down below. So if you want to invest in yourself and learn how to do these locks for vacation styles, definitely check out that video. And the link will be down below. Also, y'all, I will be doing one-on-one classes for any knotless braid styles, any lock styles. I'm also going to be doing virtual classes as well. If you do want to do a virtual class and you don't want to do like an in-person class, I can definitely do that for you guys. Make sure you just contact me. I'll leave all my contact below. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a glimpse of what I do for the vacation locks. They're just super perfect for vacation because they have human hair and they also have a blend of other braiding hair in there, just so it can give you the very islandy Caribbean look, but still have locks, like something that'll last. I feel like when you go on vacation and you get braids, they don't really last as long as you would like them to. The root is just automatically just, done for. But I feel like locks, the older they get, the better they look. And I'll try to insert some pictures of my friend and her locks. But yeah, you guys, make sure you just check out the links that I have down below for everything. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or comment down below. But I'll try to talk a little bit more and explain what I'm doing in this video. But the more detailed video will be down below. Loyalty means something to my bitch, she won't switch. A lot of the times I like to make sure that the human hair is already braided in. That way I can just keep going. It just helps you work a little bit faster when the human hair like you're trying to like have stick out is already like braided onto the lock. It's like just way more convenient.
Oh yeah. It's some R&B shit right there. Some R&B shit right there. Some R&B shit right there. Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean. Boost your self-esteem.
Now the color that I'm using to wrap around is the color 30. My friend brought her own human hair to this appointment. The human hair she used, I'm not sure what she used, but she did also dye it herself. So she has a mixture of colors that some were like 30, some were 27, some were like a honey blonde. They're all really mixed, and she said she wanted it to just be a variation of colors. I feel like it came out absolutely perfect. But yeah, this is the color 30 that I am wrapping around her hair.
I know that I'm rich, but that's my magic bitch. Murder to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a pound of weed, need a brand new weed. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please, I go Keanu Reeves. He don't go, why you telling me, just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, don't come at the A, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my soul, what that did to beat, I what that did to sleep. You ain't beat, but you know you beat to me, he beat his me.
Any chicks, I tell that nigga to that nigga. He like a kitty, carry that on my head. I just need a sip, cause shawty got me stressed, got me pleasure for that boy. I give that bitch a kiss, that bitch a money on my house, give a fuck up on my face.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. And yeah, just check out all the links that I have down below, and I love y'all. See y'all next time. Let me know what you do want to see next too. But I'm gonna come back with something good anyway. But yeah, Bye, faves.
To my bitch, she won't switch.